Our friendship started during the pandemic. Hindi kami makakilala until we became teammates sa trabaho. She's a former educator and ako naman, former HR. Now, we are both financial advisors and we are blessed to have a job na may time flexibility and work-life balance. Maraming bagay na magkaiba kami, pero may isang bagay na parehas namin gusto and that is to travel. I-enjoy natin ang buhay at i-explore ang kagandahan ng mundo hanggat may pagkakataon. Life is short, time is fast. No replay, no rewind. So live in every moment as it comes. She is Nikki. And I am Lionel. Kaya tara, join us in our travel adventure. Last day na nga pala namin dito sa El Nido, Palawan before kami pumunta ng Puerto Princesa at magstay sa Astoria, Palawan. Sabi ng mga lokal dito, itry daw namin yung canopy walk, which is malapit na naman ito sa pinagstayan namin dito sa El Nido. Kaya kaming dalawa, since bagong adventure, nag-G agad kami. Kaya ano guys, tara, check natin tong bagong adventure dito sa El Nido. How are you, partner? So tiring. My gosh. Oh, so tatabi kami yun guys. Sa totoo lang, yung oras na yan, medyo kinakabahan ako kasi nakikita ko kung ano yung pwede kong paghulugan. Kailangan nga pala natin itong tawiring papunta dun sa other side. And then from there, kailangan natin ulit umakyat para makita natin yung ganda ng view ng El Nido sa taas. Look at the island. Yeah. Medyo close na tayo. Nung time na to, ramdam mo na talaga yung pagod at hingal namin dalawa ni Nikki. Pero syempre, sa kagustuhan namin makita yung ganda ng view sa taas, pinost pa rin namin itong adventure na to. So, partner, yeah, tiring. And we've got some friends down there. Yeah. So, ito yung last day namin dito sa El Nido. And we decided to do some trekking. But see, look at the nature, guys. The view. Yeah. And I'm still with Nikki. Oh my gosh. Tired. Gosh, very tired, guys. But yeah, I'll update you guys when we get there. 1, 2, 3. Anyway, guys, I'll update you when we get there. Okay? Bye, guys. Bye. So amazing, partner. Ano ba? Pagdating mo sa taas, marirealize mo na we are really blessed when it comes to nature. Wow, guys. Wow. Look at that, guys.
Should we go this way? Oh, so not.
The place is really amazing. Gosh. Oh my God.
All of my friends said in wedding days. All I've got's photos of yesterday. Left all my things up at heaven's gate. Hope that they let me in later. Someone set my clock back 20 years. I do everything different, I face my fears. I wanna feel this and know you. I wanna feel this and know you. I wanna feel this and know you.
After namin mag-take ng mga pictures, yung mga oras na to, pababa na kami ngayon dito sa bundok. Alam nyo guys, kahit pababa na kami dito sa bundok, sobrang ganda ng view. Yung tipong hindi mo mamapansin yung init ng araw. Partner!
Oh.
Alam mo kung paano dumaan dito sa gatang natin, like,
Ano?
tingnan mo guys. Tingnan mo partner. Di ba normally ganon? Hindi na ano yan. Ang bagong daan ngayon ganon. Let's go!
Sige. Sige. Mahulog ka dito. Sige.
Ganun ang bagong
Mahulog ka.
daan dito. Kailangan bilimbo na. Di ba? Ganon! Ay, naka. Pero kidding aside, alam nyo ba na habang umaakyat kami ni Nikki, marami kaming life lesson na na-realize. Kagaya dito sa hiking. Hiking, habang tumataas, pahirap ng pahirap. Maaaring mas matarik ang iyong aakyatan o mas masikip ang iyong lulusutan. Pero as we keep moving forward, makakarating ka sa taas at makikita mo ang ganda ng view ng kalikasan. Kagaya lang yan sa buhay. Basta tuloy-tuloy lang, mararating natin ang ating mga pangarap sa buhay.
Hi guys! Hello! There you go. We've met some new friends actually. Hi partner.
My fucking friends.